Good day everyone. Today is another review of a bag that I have purchased recently. This is the most recent Louis Vuitton bag that I have purchased. I think this was purchased in November 2021. This is the box that I have. I usually order bags through the Louis Vuitton app. I don't usually go to the shop and buy the bag. I prefer to just purchase it online via their website, and a sales assistant or sales representative will just arrange delivery to my house. So this is the box that I have, and if we open it up, you will see Louis Vuitton. Okay, let me just take it from the box. Let's just set aside that, and I'll just show it to you. Since it was nearly Christmas, they have a new design of their boxes as well as their paper bag and the gift card. So it's embossed Louis. Then there's a little card where you can write some messages if this bag is for gift. Okay. Then there's a ribbon. Usually the color of the ribbon is blue, but at this time it is in red. Maybe it's because it was Christmas, so the word Louis Vuitton is also embossed. Okay, then I have the receipt. So basically what's inside is just your client copy, and this was purchased in December. I cannot even remember when I purchased it. So this was in December 2021, before Christmas, and inside are all the necessary information of Louis Vuitton. If you are going to exchange this, there's also an exchange and return policy. And by the way, the first bag that I have purchased, it is very big, so I exchanged it to a smaller one. So I'm going to reveal the bag that I have purchased. Okay, let's just put the box on the other side. And this is the Louis Vuitton the dust bag, and inside is this very versatile and very beautiful on-the-go bag in size. Okay, so the first size that I have ordered was actually the GM size. That was their biggest size for this model. But then after trying it, I found that it's too big for me. So I'm just 5'1", and the bag was already very big for me. So after 2 weeks, then I decided to exchange it. So as long as it's in a good condition, or all the things that are included are still intact, then you can exchange it to another design or another size. So I have requested to exchange it into an size. So this Louis Vuitton on the go size, well, the name says it all. On the go takes care of business or shopping, so you can use this for business purposes. You go to the office, or if you go shopping, you go to the mall, you can use this bag because it's so versatile, with plenty of room for a busy woman like me. Okay, so I go to the office and I go shopping as well, so I can use this bag every time I go out. So this is with the giant Monogram Canvas. So it is giant. Okay, and then on the side is a monogram canvas as well, but it's the normal size of the canvas. The design is the normal one, and on the other side is the reverse. So it's very nice actually, the design that I have for the undergo, because this is the reverse side, and then this is the normal monogram with the giant and the normal size of the canvas. It has the top handle, so you can use it using your hand, or you can put it near your elbow and carry it, as well as there are two shoulder straps that you can pull up or pull out, or you can just keep it inside if you wanted to use only the top handle. So the size of this has the length of 35 centimeters, then the height of 27 centimeters, and the width of 14 centimeters. Okay, so this is the width, 14 centimeters, 35 centimeters, and the height is 27 centimeters. So it is a monogram and monogram coated canvas, monogram and monogram reverse coated canvas, textile lining, and a gold collar hardware. So these are all gold hardware. What I like with this bag is that the rivets, we have two rivets on each side, and it helps to close the bag. So unlike the other bags, which is very open, if you don't close it using these two locks here, and then you can easily see what's inside. But for this one, because of the two rivets on the other side, on the sides of the bag, it helps to just close the bag, and you will not be able to peep everything inside. Okay. So the strap is 24 centimeters. The size of this straps are 24 centimeters. There's a flat zipped pocket on this side. There's a zip one. I don't know whether you can see. Yes, this is the one. And there are two small pockets outside as well. So you can put some important papers inside the zipper, and then on the two pockets you can put your mobile phone or something that you wanted to take out easily on your bag. Okay, so I always have my business card. Okay, then if you wanted to close it, there is one lock inside. Okay, then there are no button at the bottom of the bag, but I don't worry about it because this is a canvas and you can just easily wipe it once there are some dirts at the bottom of the bag. So as you can see here, oops, there's even a coin inside. So as you can see here, the pattern of the bag was really done carefully. So this is a half and half of the other canvas. Okay, and then here is the reverse monogram, and the other one is the normal monogram. Just to let you know that on the size, you will be counting 246 LV design, while in the GM it's gonna be 8. okay, because the GM is bigger than the MM, of course. So here, for you to know whether your bag is authentic and it is on MM size, you just have to count the LV design. So 2, 4, 6. Same on the other side. 2, 4, 6. Okay. So it's also on the reverse one, on the design on the rivets, and you will see the stitching. Although they said that the stitching will not be perfect anymore because it is done by hand, but for this one it's perfectly done. Okay, same on the other side. And the canvas that is used on this bag is very sturdy. It's not that soft, but it's not that very hard as well. And you will see that it can stand by its own. Okay, so if you are storing this bag, if you do not want it to put inside the dust bag and you just wanted to display the bag, you can easily just let it stand even though there are no inserts inside. Okay, and just to let you know as well, for Louis Vuitton, new Louis Vuitton products are no longer have a date code. You won't be able to see a tag anymore inside because they are now putting a microchip. So if you wanted to know if your bag is authentic, you can just go to any Louis Vuitton store and they can scan for you the microchip. That's what I have learned from the news from Louis Vuitton, and also those experts in Louis Vuitton, that it's no longer having a date code, but it's gonna be microchip. I think that's a good way for the bag not to be copied. Review of bags and what I can put inside. I have here all my Louis Vuitton SLGs, and I can just easily put inside. Okay, so if you have some questions about this bag, please don't forget to leave your comments down below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for your time. Have a great day. Goodbye.